YouTube, what is going on, you guys? All right, man, back here with another video on the Ford Explorer. Man, where am I today? Driven Auto Care out here in Fremont, California. Man, I've been wanting to do this mod for quite some time, you guys, and I finally got the part. So today I am going to put a lift kit on this Explorer. So it's from the factory, it's about 8 inches, right, clearance on the bottom. And so I think I'm going to go a little bit higher, 1.5 inches all the way around. I got this specific kit for the Ford Explorer for the 4x4, the 2020 and up models. And I went with this kit, you guys, because it is designed to keep the same stance that it has right now. So it has that kind of like that forward, you know, a little bit lower on the front than on the rear, kind of like that, you know, a little bit of that race car stance. And so with this kit, it keeps that stance, but it just lifts it up a little bit. So that's going to be pretty cool, man. And we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, YouTube. So here we are. We got it done, man. 1.5 inches. Show you, give you a side shot here, what it looks like. Bam. There you go. So yeah, as I was saying, the way this lift kit is designed, it's 1.5 inches all the way around. So it's designed to keep the same, you know, forward slant from the factory, right? So now the next step is going to be I'm thinking about going with the smaller rims with the wider tire wall there, just to give it a nice beefy look. Or I'll see if I can stick with the 20-inch rims, and then, you know, with the taller tire, we'll see. But yeah, oh man, this looks amazing. Gives you a lot more space on the bottom there. You see that? It just looks so much taller now. There you go. Now we're getting somewhere with this guy. This looks amazing, you guys. So stay tuned. I'll take it home and give you a really nice close-up where it's not so noisy from the freeway over there. And we'll wrap this up, you guys. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. So here we are. We are back home now. Got it all done. As you can see, it makes quite a bit of difference, you guys. So it's an 1.5 inch kit on all fours again. And as you can see, it still has that, you know, front slant, just like, you know, factory, right? But just a little bit taller. So, which is great, man. It's exactly what I wanted. I think it was standard. It's just a little bit too low for me. So, you know, by adding this kit, as you can see, it just kind of brings it up quite a bit. When you're driving, you can tell also, you can tell pretty good when you're driving, man. It just brings it up a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but certainly does make a difference. I'll show you here, like in the rear, you can see Traxda. So that is the company that makes this kit, you guys. It's specific for the Ford Explorer, being that this is the full four-wheel drive. They make a kit specific for the four-wheel drive, which is 1.5 inches, and they also make a kit for if you have just the rear wheel drive, and that's a 2-inch kit. So it's even higher than this one. But I think 1.5 inches is perfect. It's nothing, you know, too crazy, nothing too tall, too high. I wanted to, you know, definitely keep the same front slant design on it. Most likely that's for aerodynamics, right? If you keep it, you know, the same, just slightly higher, it won't affect too much on the aerodynamics, which will also keep your fuel economy normal, right? The standard OEM fuel economy. All right, and so that's it, you guys, man. Just wanted to share this with you. I will definitely leave this kit in the video description below. So in case if you're interested, if you have a 4x Explorer 2020 and up, I believe it fits the 2020 to 2023 models. So hope you guys like it, man. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and all your questions. I always get back to everyone, so keep them coming, you guys, man. It's a pleasure talking with everyone, knowing everyone. That's really cool, man. So thank you to all, man. Please do subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Peace.